Hey everybody, so today is second day of Vlogmas. Super excited. And today I'm going to be actually planning out Vlogmas activities and events that I'm going to be doing for Vlogmas. Basically for the rest of the days of for Christmas season, fun stuff, festive stuff. As you can see, my hats, it also lights up. Let me get to it. If I can get to it real quick, maybe. Bam! My little lights. I love this hat. And anyways, so yes, today I'm going to be planning out everything. So furthermore, I'm gonna get right into me planning. Before then, I am going to actually make me a caramel macchiato in my new Christmas cup that I got this year. So I'm gonna show you. I was gonna basically showing you how I do that, and then getting right into planning and getting more to me, telling you more details about what I'm going planning and all that good stuff. Let's get right into it. So guys, I will be, like I said earlier in the video, I am going to be planning in my personal planner as well in my, I guess you'll say this is my content creator planner, basically my YouTube planner, basically some of the more. So let's get to planning. I haven't planned any much, so let's get into me planning for December. December. Let's get into it of planning, guys. Yes, because I am very busy. Alright, let's get into it. this is what I have somewhat planned out. I have the whole week planned out. So guys, that is basically half of what I showed you for the month for the Vlogmas Christmas season. Also, I do actually have the whole entire month 1 through the 24th for December for Vlogmas that I want to be filming, so just stay tuned for all that. Basically, as you can see, I am not showing you and telling you everything that I am going to be doing. So the clip that you did see of when I have planned out and my hand covered some stuff up, that was basically all that you're going to see and basically kind of know. So just be looking forward to me doing the rest of Vlogmas and having the videos come out, and you just basically see it when you see it. And so make sure you are subscribed, so hit that notification bell down below, the notification down below, and also make sure you are subscribed with that red button down below. So hit both of those down below so that way you can be subscribed and also have notifications all turned on, because that way you will be notified every time I upload another video for Vlogmas, because today is day 2. Tomorrow will be day 3. So yeah guys, I am so excited. This is the first time that I actually planned out the whole entire basically month for Vlogmas and also for December. So excited. Let's get right into the next day for Vlogmas. If you're excited, I know I am. As you can see my little hat, it says "Let It Snow," and it's a little reindeer. Honey, I love it. So it's a little festive. Alright. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Got this other stuff I have to do, and I have to edit another video. I think, I don't know what to say, what tomorrow brings. Basically, I'm gonna go. So catch you guys in the next video for Vlogmas Day 3. Vlogmas Day 3. Gotta go.